swap any coin using PancakeSwap or Uniswap. It's very simple. So what I did was I have USDT and I just swap my USDT to BNB, all right, so that I can use my BNB to purchase any other coin right here. Okay, so you can see the quantity of BNB that I have is 10.41. So to go to Uniswap, what you need to do is to click on Discover. Now, type in Uniswap, so I just have to click on it. Now, as you can see, this is BNB. All right, the network is BNB. So all we need to do is to change this to BNB also. So we are dealing on BNB. So I have to switch this to BNB. Yeah, BNB, that's the network. Now we are choosing BNB because we are swapping BNB with another coin. So I'll go ahead and choose the coin I wish to swap. So I click on select. Now I'm swapping this with this Self Play. So I click on Self Play, which is SEB. All right. Now the next thing to do is to, input the amount of BNB that I have. Okay. So before you start, you click on the coin you want to swap. So you can see everything is going down. Then you click on swap. We have BNB. So I'm going to change this to USDT. So as you can see, this USDT is on Ethereum network. So I have to change it by clicking on that drop-down menu. Then I will select BNB. So I'll type BNB. So I select it. Now I'll choose this first USDT blockchain. All right. Now you can see the maximum of USDT here is 10.19. So bear in mind, the more you swap, the more you do transactions, the more the money go down. So what I need to do is that I need to share it into two. Okay. So I put 5 this side, put 5 this side. Then I'll go ahead and, click on confirm. Why I'm doing this, in case I want to buy or swap any coin so that I can be able to pay for the gas fees. So I'll go ahead and swap by clicking on continue. So you can see, so I'm swapping on Trust Wallet. So I'm clicking on confirm swap. All right, you can see processing. I got an information right here. You can see smart contract call escorted, so it's done. So I'm going to open the transaction. Now you can see transaction completed successfully. So what I need to do is to go back again. And then this time around, we are searching for Uniswap. So always make sure that your wallet and your Uniswap is on BNB Smart Chain. So I've already connected, so I'll just select connection. So as you can see, this is my network at BNB Smart Chain. So let's click on connect. We are connected as you can see our balance. We have successfully connected as BNB. So our balance is showing. So what I need to do now is to change this. So I'm changing to USDT. Remember, we have to pay for gas fee. So next thing is to change it like as we did before. So I'm changing this. So choosing BNB Smart Chain. So to change that network, you always click on this drop-down menu to change it. So now I have successfully changed it, and our USDT is now on BNB, and you can see the balance is 5.11. So now the next thing I need to do is to choose any coin of my choice that I wish to swap. All right. So the coin I want to swap is Celeb. So look at the swap here, Celeb here. So you see, Remember, I have BNB 5 point something BNB. Let me show you. So let me change to BNB again. You can see my BNB balance here is 5 USDT, while my USDT is 5.16 USDT. So I'll go ahead again and select the celeb. Now you can see that everything is set and it's telling me to enter any amount. So what I need to do is that if I want to swap the whole of this 5 USDT, so I will go ahead and choose the entire 5 point something USDT. If I don't want, I can just, clean everything up. All right. Then I can clean everything up and just manually type the amount I want. I can say I want 25% of this, which is 1.28 or 1.29 USDT. And this is the quantity of this SEB is going to give me, as you can see. So what I need to do right now is that I will be using this 1.28 as example, or let me say 2 USDT. Let's say 2 USDT. Let me use 2 USDT. Okay. So I'm using 2 USDT to do this. So, or let me say I'm using the whole of this amount. So I use Masmon. Now it's finalizing. So this Masmon is going to give me about 30 something or 369,787 celeb. So this is the, the price of one celeb right here is 0.0000139525. So you can see 0.14. So we see the details of everything to review. So our fee is 0.25%, which is around 926.75 of celeb. Now the network gas fee is around 0.01, which we are going to be paying. So I have everything in order and I accept all this. So I go ahead and click on review. Now you can see that my swapping is about to take place. So I can go ahead and click approve and swap. So I'll go ahead and click this approve and swap. Now let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Now you can see it said assets BNB Smart Chain. Okay. And this is the fee I'm about to pay for this transaction. So I'll go ahead and do that. I agree. So I'll go ahead and type in my password. So let's see the magic. Let's see. So everything is successful. As you can see, I have successfully, swap my USDT to get celeb coin. So let's see the loading and see the refreshing. So guys, you can see everything is right here. All right, I have to sign in to my app. So let me sign in. I gotta sign in. Let me sign in. So go ahead again. So right now, if you check very well, you can see I now have 369 point something of this celeb, and you see right here, I don't have any USDT anymore. So if I want to also swap back to USDT, I can just go ahead and click this drop down menu arrow and raise it up. So as you can see, I can now swap. Okay. So if you put the amount of the celeb you want to swap, you can click on this. Now you can see that my USDT keep reducing because of the charges. And now let's go and check our BNB that we have. So if I click on this, now you can see that my BNB, a little portion of BNB has also been charged from this app. So like I told you guys, what you just need to do is to have USDT on BNB Smart Chain. Please make sure it's not on Solana because Uniswap do not support Solana. Make sure it is on BNB or you are using Polygon network and other Ethereum network, but the lesser fee is BNB Smart Chain network. Now you can see we have gotten 369 point something of this celeb play. So guys, it's very, very simple to get this done. All right. So if you have any question, you can drop your question. So anytime at all you want to change or reswap this, you can just connect your wallet back and you see your fund. You can go ahead and reswap it again. We have made extra 5 USDT for doing that. So guys, you can see how this is being done immediately.